tonight. Oh, yeah, great creator, oh, master of all things, oh, creator of all beings, oh, big and small, mighty and terrible, dreadful is it. Praise Yahweh, He rules night and day, Alpha and Omega, beginning nowhere, head creator, master and friend. He created all living beings, both big and small, seen and unseen. He's got the whole world in his hand. Till it's time we overstay, just got the whole world in his hand. He's got me and your mother in the palm of his hand. In the Genesis of Mother Earth, when God created the universe, and the earth was without form and void, and then God said, let there be light, and then He separated the land from the waters. Then He saw that it was good. Just got the whole world in His hand, and it's time we overstay. Just the universe in His hand. He's got me and you, Papa, in the palm of His hand. And then God said, let the earth bring forth grass, every herb yielding seed, and every fruit bearing tree. And as He spoke, yes, it was so, yes. And that's why we all should know, just got the whole world in His hand. Okay. And this time we overstand, just the universe in His hand. He's got me and you, brothers and sisters, in the palm of His hand. Yeah. Praise Yahweh, He rules night and day. Yeah. Praise Yahweh, He rules night and day. Just got the whole world in His hand. In this time we overstand, just got the universe in His hand. He's got a little bit of baby in the palm of